Hey there! I'm super excited to walk you through maintaining a secure GitHub repository using best practices, especially since it's so crucial in our line of work for enterprise IT professionals like ourselves. Alright, let's dive right in, starting with the importance of securing your GitHub repositories. We're talking about a shared platform, right? It's where our code, our projects, our hard work, all live and breathe alongside teammates and sometimes even external contributors. Maintaining such security isn't just about using the right authentication method or setting up firewalls, it's about understanding that GitHub is the heart of our developers' ecosystem. Let's keep it simple. First, ensure that every team member has two-factor authentication enabled in their GitHub account. It's like always having your spare key in multiple safe locations just in case, right? Now, when creating a repository, always use a limited scope repository rather than one that's public from the get-go. It's like picking a secure, locked box instead of a transparent plastic bag. Not only does this reduce exposure to potential attacks, but it also forces you to implement access controls and permissions correctly from the start. To set access rights, make use of GitHub's built-in role-based access control system and apply the least privilege principle, give access only what's needed and nothing more. When it comes to branching and merging, let's get GitHub Actions into the mix. Automate your build and testing process using the right GitHub Actions workflow. This way, we can ensure that there's only high-quality, secure code getting pushed before it merges into the main branch, keeping that pipeline full of good vibes and secure code only. Regarding secrets, GitHub offers the way to securely store sensitive data such as access keys, passwords, or tokens within the repository. Using the Secrets option, we can store our AWS keys, GitHub tokens, database passwords, and more, never committing those to the codebase. Remember, never hardcode secrets into your repository. It's like giving people a key to your house without telling them it's a surprise, never a good idea. Let's not forget about protected branches and releases, which guard against reckless commits and merges. Ensure the main or develop branch is under stricter permissions, so major commits go through code reviews and necessary approvals, maintaining our project's integrity and security. When it comes to releases, again GitHub Actions can ensure code security checks like code scanning before deploying to production. Ensuring the confidentiality of our intellectual property becomes easier when using encrypted connections. Always employ secure, encrypted methods of communication, such as VPNs, SSH keys rather than using non-encrypted methods like HTTP, which is like sending a personal letter via public mailbox. To keep the security measures up to the mark, we need constant monitoring. Integrate Git hooks, GitHub Actions, and services like GitGuardian to continuously monitor the code for potential threats or vulnerabilities and act promptly to address them. Maintaining a secure repository also means keeping the code base updated. This not only includes updating dependencies and removing unused ones, but also updating to newer secure versions of libraries and software. It's like taking your car for regular maintenance checkups, keeps the ride safe and smooth. In case of a security incident, having a robust incident response plan is mandatory. This involves having defined roles in case of an incident, communication chains to address the issue, and recovery steps to remediate the situation seamlessly. Think along the lines of having a house insurance plan to tackle unforeseen damages. Finally, knowledge sharing within a team and broader organization about cybersecurity and security hygiene plays a pivotal role in maintaining secure repositories on GitHub. Encourage team members to attend cybersecurity conferences, webinars, or even set in-house workshops. Remember, security is a team sport after all. We are not just a team of architects, but also of responsible guardians looking out for our resources. Alright, that's a wrap. Maintaining a secure repository goes way beyond just using GitHub with password protection. It's about adopting best practices, understanding RBAC, using GitHub Actions, utilizing encrypted connections, and ensuring the regular monitoring of code. Now, I encourage everyone to dive into the Intricane. By the way, if you've found this guide helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe to TechLab for more awesome tech talks. Visit neeraj.qzz.io, that's the right place for you. Cheers!